How to manage swipe actions on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Yahoo Mail. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do, go to the top corner, click on your icon right here and click on settings. Now all what you have to do is go down, click on swipe actions right here. Now as you can see, you can manage your swipe actions right here. For example, you have customized for each account, you can enable it. You have swipe right, you have swipe left, you have many options as you can see. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.